Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Realme Link application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Realme Link application on our phone. So let's open it. Of course, it has to be the phone that is paired with your watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen. And on the home screen, you should see the list of my devices. And on this list, you should see your Realme Watch 3. So let's tap on it. On this page, find the option called Face Gallery and tap on it. And here, scroll down, look for the category called Photos and select the Photos watch face. And here we can customize our watch face. We can change the position of the clock. We can change the color of the clock. And then we can tap on Add Watch Face under the background image. And we have two options, camera and choose from album. The camera option rather, if you tap on it, it will open the camera application on your phone. You can take a picture and set it as a watch face. The choose from album option allows you to select the photo from the phone already. So it will open the Photos app and there you can browse through different files, look for the picture and select it. So I'm gonna use the second option, choose from album. As you can see, it opened the Photos app. Here, I'm gonna select download and then select the picture by tapping on it. And once you select the picture, you will be able to crop it. Basically, you can move this frame around and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted frame is gonna be on our watch face. And you can zoom in, zoom out, move around. And once you position the picture that you want it to be on your watch face, tap on done. And here you have a preview. Maybe let's change the font color because it's barely visible. Let's select white. Okay. And move it to the bottom maybe. Okay, like this. And once you're done customizing, you can tap on sync to device and wait until it's done syncing to your watch. And once it's done syncing, you will see that the watch face will be applied on your watch. And now we can close the application, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.